like rain clouds right above where I'm at. So I think I could get away from them if I just drive out this direction. I should be good. I should be good. Come on, people. Phones is getting wet. What's this lady doing? By the looks of it, it clears up the direction I'm headed, and I'm right on the edge of this storm, so should be able to escape it. The homie on a trike, he's like trying to like stay low and dodge all the rain. And he's got a giant windscreen. Oh, that sucks though. He's not wearing a helmet. I think I've dodged the rain. We escaped it. I just drove out of it. Birdie, what's up? Oh my gosh, like I almost hit the wall. What the heck? He was so close. He almost did it again. Clueless? Get off your phone, man. Dumb girl. Twice. She had to yank off of the wall. She was so close to it. How can you be so clueless? Trying to be near people who are doing that crap. Dang, you can see the rain like coming out right there and there. That's insane looking. Look at this like black spot in the sky. It's like clear all the way around there, and then just right here, it's like black. It's insane. Gosh, that line of water is like coming across right now. You can see the movement, and then glass is like slowly shifting this way. Dang it, the rain's coming in. I was gonna stop and get Chick-fil-a. Just trying to go in so I don't have to sit in the drive-thru getting rained on. No problem, bud. Thank you. Y'all know that. Y'all know. Dang, like as soon as I got in the line, it started pouring down rain over us. But it passed pretty quickly. Seems to be a heck of a lot lighter than it was about a minute ago. I feel like if I waited another minute or two, it would be pretty much cleared up. But it's not that bad. I'm just gonna head out now. I accidentally went up into second. And the rain passed. It literally like rolled right over me while I was in Chick-fil-A. I couldn't have been luckier. Just like a little Eeyore cloud. What? Assuming. What's up? Hey! Hey, thanks, bud. What's your name? Nice to meet you, bud. Take it easy. He's like, RPSTV, I watch you all the time. I'm like, what's up, dude? So funny. That was so funny. That was random. I wish I had a sticker readily available for him, but they're only in my wallet right now. He's like, I watch your stuff all the time. I'm like, thanks, dude. Why is everyone in this left lane driving like an idiot?
dope. That's a nut. Is that 2 people? Got a friend over here. It's 2 people. They got 2 friends. 2 friends, 1 bike. Oh my gosh, that's like a tiny homegirl. I don't know if they know who I am, but he like looked over and gave me a nod and was like, salute. So funny. That's the other thing, is like, even if people don't know who I am, people on bikes are like, you know, it's like we have like a 6th sense. We can sense when another bike is around, because like on a boat you're in the water and there's no options. Like everybody's on a boat if you're seeing anybody, you know what I mean? That's how it is like on the road with cars, you know? Everybody's in the car, you're not waving at all the cars. Like, ah, you have a car too, hi! That's so funny though. I don't know, bikes are different though. Everyone's like, I guess it's because they like all get it. They're all like, yeah, we almost die every day. You're also suicidal, kind of. Randomly, for like certain weeks, at night, my freaking exit will be closed down. It's so frustrating. Not tonight, but like, then I have to go to the, because I don't know ahead of time, so I have to go to the next exit and turn around. It's so stupid. I mean, I'm sure there's signs that say stuff about it somewhere, like, oh, these days, this time, blah, blah. Like, what the hell am I gonna look at those for? Like, they're so irrelevant until they aren't. You know what I mean? It's like, that doesn't help me. Plus, they're like over here on my street, like when I'm leaving for work or something, you know? It's like, that doesn't mean anything. Why is it not on I-4 a mile before the exit? Like, where it would make sense. Oh, that's closed down a mile ahead? Okay, cool. There's no detour signs or anything, you know? Stupid. What up, bud? I saw you. I don't know what he said, but that guy knew who I was. I met that guy before. I don't know where, but it might have been at Credo. I think that's what he even said. Like, oh, I met you at Credo. I couldn't really hear him. I had music playing in my head. We out here. A little bit of Credo before church. Gonna hit up the homie Chris. Grab some coffee. Hang with the peeps. Let's get it. So Chris's like lower fairing right here flew off when he was riding, and then when he was booking it down the highway later, because that one wasn't attached to the rest of it, he lost like this whole side of his fairings, so he's like half naked bike right now. It's crazy. Birdies. Yo. I don't think my brake light works anymore. Is it turning on? It's like doesn't even work anymore. Well, I mean, like it doesn't even try to get brighter anymore. I don't know why I had the like biggest urge to kick that Jeep's wheels, but I was like, I'm probably gonna hurt myself. It's the homie. What up, Rob? Hey. Who the heck is this person parking all up in the way and stuff, halfway in a freaking handicap spot? Yeah, that's for my special friend.